Okay, so now we have rendered our categories, right? So I think I should update the style of the category button. It looks a bit weird. Okay, let's do that. Where is it? Let's name it. Okay, let's name it category button. So where is it? It is inside our header, right? So inside our header, search wrapper, nav button, navbar top. Okay, let's take this class. Okay, then inside that we can set up our category button, and let's say font size. We want the font size to be a bit bigger. Font size, let's say 20 pixel. Okay, say flex, gap 10 pixel, and align items center. Okay, I think now it looks a bit better. And let's also give the nav bottom a padding of 10 pixel by 0. Okay, and the border radius should be a bit wider. Let's say 10 pixel. Too much. 8 pixel. Yeah, I think 8 pixel looks better. Okay, now it looks better. All right. So now we have rendered our category section in our large devices. Now there is a problem, right? So if we inspect and let's check out a smaller device. So okay, let's actually remove the navbar. I'm going to make it responsive later. So okay, now if we see in small devices, if we hover over this or we click on this, it exceeds the window, right? It goes outside of the window, overflows the window. So in our e-commerce website, the categories is a very important section. Like your e-commerce should be mobile friendly, mobile first, responsive. That means your e-commerce, most of the people that are using your e-commerce will use it in a smaller device, in a mobile phone. So you have to be careful when using your application, your e-commerce application, that it is mobile friendly or responsive. So actually, the approach we took for our large devices, it looks good on our large devices. But if we go to a smaller device, it actually breaks our UI, right? It breaks our project. So there is actually no better way to render these in the side. What we can do is we can render this down, right? We can render this like the bottom of each category. When I click on that, the categories will open on the bottom. So to do that, you sometimes have to write too much code, like it a little bit of extra code, because if we try to change this category or the style of this category CSS, it will become a very complex, and it will be hard to maintain, because uh, applied positioning, and also uh, some the structure of the elements are also complex. So what we can do is we can actually create a separate component to rendering the categories in smaller devices, and we can use the end designs menu, or the I think it is called menu. Let me check. Yes, it is end design menu. So let's search end design menu. Okay, so as you can see, this is the InDesign menu. So we can use this menu in our InDesign. It is like a accordion. So we are going to use this for our mobile devices that I did on this previous project. So let's check it out how it works. So if I go to a smaller device, as you can see, it renders a different category. Now it comes on the bottom like a accordion. Okay, I think I clicked on the name there. Okay, so I click on the icon. So the categories are listed like that. So your UI doesn't break, and it also works for your large devices and your smaller devices. And you come to a large device, it will work like before on Hopper. Okay. Okay, so we are getting some errors. Don't worry about those. All right. So I'm going to show you how you can render that render a different categories or a different component like accordion for your categories. So before that, let's take a 15-minute break. It's 12:11 a.m. here. Okay.